Hey everybody, so I found a deal on the newer Gen 3 Milwaukee 1-key fuel hammer drill and impact driver kit. 2 batteries, the hammer drill and driver, as well as the impact driver and a charger. On Acme Tools, it's $449 for this kit. And I found it on Home Depot for $3.99, which is actually a pretty good deal. I believe this one right here is the older model, which is $3.69. Yeah, no, this one says 2996-22. $3.69 is a lot cheaper than $3.99, but that's weird. Let's see. It says model number 2996-22. Let's see. Product details. 2806-20 for the hammer drill. 2857-20 for the impact driver. Let's go to this one. 2996-22. Scroll down. 2806-20 and 2857-20. Yep. So this one's actually a killer deal. So $369 for this kit. I'm actually gonna add that to my cart. $369 is a heck of a deal for this kit. I've been eyeballing this kit for a little while. $369 is way better than $449 at Acme Tools, and Home Depot is doing it. What's the other one? It's this one right here. It's $3.99. Oh, $3.99 is for the non 1-keyed version. So this kit should be different model. Should be 2997-20. Yeah, 2997-22. So the 1-key is actually cheaper than the 2997-22, which is the non-keyed version. So $369 is a heck of a deal compared to $449 that Acme Tools is selling it for. Let's see. I'm going to go to International Tool real quick. I'm going to search Milwaukee 2996-22, see what they're selling it for. They're selling it for $449 as well. So Home Depot seems to be the best price. Let's see if Amazon has it. Milwaukee is selling it for anywhere from $474 to $511, so Amazon's not really a good choice. What about Tool Nut? Let's see what Tool Nut is selling it for. Tool Nut's selling it for $449 as well. What about Ohio Power Tools? We'll check them also. 2996-22. They're selling it for $449 as well. 08. So your best bet is to order it directly from Home Depot for $369. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.